Hey, what's up? This is July, and on this week's episode, we are making scrambled egg meal preps. First, we're going to chop the red, green, yellow peppers along with red onions. We add a little bit of olive oil and then add the veggies to cook.
I'm going to cook this first and then I'll put the eggs.
After letting the veggies cook for a few minutes, now we add the eggs.
And then I'm going to add spinach.
Now we add the spinach, about a cupful.
That's fine. Last of the spinach. Okay.
Now we sprinkle some sea salt. We sprinkle some pepper.
Ooh.
We now stir this around so we can mix it together.
All right. There we go.
This looks and smells awesome. Look how colorful it is with all the vegetables. Here she adds the eggs to her meal prep bowls. This will be her everyday breakfast for the week.
And that's 4 eggs. And look.
That's a lot,
Yeah. 4 eggs for 4 days, but it's still a lot, so I don't think I'm going to use this all. Or maybe I will. Oh, not bad. I'll spread it out. Who doesn't have a lot? The rest is veggies. There you go.